Okay, just had some ice cream and my computer is getting a raincoat. Looks a bit like a hack, but should be good enough. Here is the heater core, which I just replaced, and the raincoat is obviously the computer was destroyed by the coolant, which shouldn't happen anymore, hopefully. It's quite a big job. It's actually easier if you know where all the bolts are. There's the dashboard, and we have here the whole unit. It's already in. Just gotta put it back in and pray I remember where all the bolts are. I think something like 16 euros for this element I paid 5 years ago and only now put it in. Okay, thank you.